Well, we have a lot populated or installed back into the truck. It's looking fine with our Corbeau seats, Tuffy center console with drink holders there. Looks complimentary, nice seats in the back. The Corbeau rear bench seat. All seat belts are installed. We've seen those before. Looks real sharp, contrasting with the dash. So you have the Corbeau little pads that go on the seats here that'll go over this. Those are yet to be installed, but coming together quite nicely. Windshield went in as well as the other day, so that's all complete. We saw that little process. Running boards are on. Extra wide, transition nicely into the rear flare. Other things like yellow zinc chromate door striker, nice little custom caps here.